Model, 67-plate Citroen Relay Boxer 35 L3H2 2.0 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise ULEZ head gasket needs replacing. Body white panel van. Mileage 118,000. MOT the 29th of September 2024. Engine 1997 ccdw10 FUDA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts and runs but will need the head gasket replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 0 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,225.